Want to find secret hidden apps which may be spying on your phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Then let's scroll down to our security and privacy. After that, let's find our more security settings. Open it up. Here, you gotta locate device admin apps. Let's open them. So, all the applications on this list have an admin apps over your phone. So if there are any malware app, it may be controlling your phone. So go through the list and simply disable an application which you don't know. For example, simply tap on the applications, tap on the switch near it and press deactivate. Easy as that. Now press OK, and that's it. Do not turn off any applications like Samsung Knox or FindHelp because those are built-in Samsung applications which are helpful, which are helping you to locate your device in case if you lost it. However, if you see anything unusual here, anything which you don't know, first of all, deactivate it, then go to your apps in the main settings. There we are. Locate an application which you want to delete and which you find as a malware one, right? For example, let's delete Dynamic Spot just for this video and press on install, confirm your choice, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Stay safe, stay aware. Goodbye.